How to change payment method on Uber. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Uber on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Uber account. Then, click on Account at the bottom right corner of your screen in the Uber app. In here, you'll find different options. Click on Wallet at the top. After you click on Wallet, you will find all your payment methods. Now to change, click on Add Payment Method. After you click on Add Payment Method, you'll find different options that are available in your region. Select the one you prefer and then add the information and you will be able to change your payment method in this way. This is how to change payment method on Uber. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.